Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install TeaTV on your Firestick and Android TV step by step. TeaTV is a popular streaming app that lets users access movies and TV shows with a simple and clean interface. The setup process is super easy, so let's jump right into it. Step 1. Enable unknown apps. First, from your Firestick home screen, go to Settings. Open My Fire TV. Select Developer Options. Step 2. Install Downloader app. If you don't already have Downloader installed, go to the search icon. Type Downloader. Select the app by AFTV News. Click Download or Get. Once installed, open Downloader. Step 3. Download TeaTV APK. Inside Downloader, allow permissions if prompted. Click on the URL field. Now enter the TeaTV APK website address carefully. Wait a few seconds while the APK downloads. Step 4. Install TeaTV. Now simply click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Then click Done. You can also remove the APK file afterward to free up storage space. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you install TeaTV on Firestick and Android TV. If this guide helped you, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.